When working with null or undefined values, sometimes we need to fall back to a default value. For example, let's declare a variable called speed of type number or null. Let's imagine that we received this from the user. For now, I'm going to initialize this to null, meaning the user didn't provide a value for the speed. So we get the speed and then we create a write object. Now we could annotate this with a proper type, but let's not worry about it at this point. We just create a write object and set the speed to either the value we received from the user or a default value. In plain old JavaScript, we can implement this by saying speed or 30. So if speed is truthy, we're going to use that value. Otherwise, if it's falsy, we're going to use 30 as a default value. Now, I have a question for you. What are falsy values in JavaScript? We have undefined, null, empty string, false, and 0. Now, what if 0 is a valid value for the speed? With our current implementation, if the user enters 0, 0 is going to be ignored because it's a falsy value, and we're going to use 30. So a more accurate way to implement this scenario is by checking for null. So we can check if speed is not null, then use speed, otherwise use 30. Now in TypeScript, we have a better way. We can simplify this expression to speed $30. What you see here is called the Nullish Coaelscing operator. So the reason this is called Nullish is because this value can be null or undefined. So with this, we're saying if speed is not null or undefined, use that value, otherwise use 30 as a default value.